Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today is a special Monday. We have an awesome unboxing from me and Guy.
Welcome lovelies. Well, here we are, another exciting Monday. Is it Monday?
It's Monday.
It's Monday. And one of our beloved lines, right?
Yes, me and Guy. And we have a treasure classic in there.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I don't know about it.
You don't know, I know.
She's full of surprises.
So ladies, I have another surprise too.
Another one.
For Lousje. I keep doing this.
Yeah, but now I'm okay.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm doing really well.
Really? How high can you move it now?
Look.
Oh.
I have lots of exercises. I have a stretch band.
Does it feel good?
Oh, it feels so good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it feels great.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I'm gonna be lifting weights before we know it.
Okay.
A little traumatized about the downward dog in the yoga class.
I was gonna say, what about yoga?
Yeah, no, I have to gear up for that mentally. But anyway, I'm doing great, lovely. So let's see.
So first of all, I have a little surprise for you. You're going to be very happy about, ladies, because she always is teasing me about this. First, I want to talk about your outfit because I think you look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you. I feel great. This screams summer.
It's so beautiful.
This is so much fabric in the skirt, lovelies, but it is so light. It's like a little parachute.
Yeah.
Fabric.
It's like taffeta with a little crunch in it.
Yeah.
So,
many panels European. In the design. Nice little pockets, slit pockets. A nice wide elastic band that doesn't pinch you in the waist.
Comfy.
And
then on the shirt detail, so this is all Alembica, ladies, that she's wearing.
Yes, yeah.
And they brought in the fabric from the skirt. So how cool is that?
But think about just how versatile. You can wear this with skinny jeans.
Jeans, yeah.
We always say jeans.
Yeah.
Well,
your Alembica pants. Your
Alembica.
Yeah, your other pants from Alembica that you live in.
The Emmy pants from Lousje Bean.
Absolutely.
The black or the white linen.
Yeah.
Versatile.
Beautiful.
And then the skirt as well. A little Crisa jacket. A jeans jacket.
Yeah, the little black Grisas that we just got in. And travel, you just roll it up, in a little ball and you're all set.
Exactly.
Wash, wonderful.
Yeah.
And your accessories?
You like?
Love.
Yeah.
Look at this one, new from Majestic.
Wow. It's gorgeous.
So beautiful.
And it's wood. It looks heavy, but it is not at all. I don't feel I have anything on.
No.
And Siska little earrings and these beautiful bangles from Siska.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, I feel great.
Yeah, you look great.
Well, look at you.
I know. I feel
Holy
great.
moly.
This is one of my favorite dresses, ladies. This is the Ozianku, this fabulous fabric.
Fabulous fabric.
It's like a satiny. And then it has this linen print here.
Oh, yeah.
Look at how beautiful.
Yeah.
I know. And then I put over
You have my collars on. You're wearing
I know.
colors.
I was thinking about this outfit when I picked it.
Yeah,
that
it's lovely.
That it's right up your alley. And then again, a new Majestic as well, ladies. And look how good that looks with the natural linen.
And
It's
it
got
has
a little
this silver.
All right, so before we get into this unboxing, which you ladies are gonna absolutely love, it's one of our favorite outfits from me and Guy, and we've paired it up in 3 colors, so you're gonna be so happy about that. But I have a little surprise for Lousje. So Mac had a little sale, and I bought a few lipsticks that I wanted to show my mom and let her pick one. And there was also some little freebies in here from Mac. So you're always saying about my pink lipstick, oh, you won't tell me the name of it.
No, exactly. She's been wearing it for half a year.
I don't know the name of it. She's always saying,
her,
I want the name of it.
The name is on the end of your lipstick.
No, these are 2 different ones. So I just blindly ordered these online, thinking of you and thinking of me. And I want you to test them each and pick one.
Really?
And then I'll take the leftovers.
Oh my God, that is so sweet
So
of you.
one, ladies, is called All Fired Up. Now, I hope you don't have it, do you?
No.
Okay, good. And the other one is Flat Out Fabulous.
Never, no.
Okay, so I feel like we just have to do a quick tester before we get to this unboxing.
Well, thank you for thinking of me.
You're welcome.
You're a very good daughter.
So this is the, how beautiful is that?
Oh,
I think she's going to have a hard time picking.
Oh, yeah. Can I not have them both?
Here we go. Yes, you can. But okay, that wasn't the plan. This is like a raspberry.
Oh, Tessa.
I thought of you with that, but this also.
Oh,
I think
my
either.
goodness.
You can definitely have them
thrilled.
both.
Oh, I am thrilled. Oh, yes. Look how beautiful.
I
Is this
know.
the one you always wear?
No, neither of those. I picked two
Okay.
completely new ones, and I wanted to surprise you because
my
I love you so
goodness.
much.
I am
And I wanted
thrilled.
you to have your.
This is so beautiful.
Maybe you want them both. And then they gave this free strobe cream, which is like illuminating, beautiful face.
For your eyes?
For your face.
Wow.
So I thought you can use that too. It'll give you a little glow.
Oh, my goodness. Well, thank you. That is wonderful. You made my day.
So stay tuned, ladies, till the end of the video, and we'll get Lousje to pick her. I bet you she's gonna pick both, but we'll see. We'll see if she can just pick one and share. All right, are we ready? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you guess what our favorite dress from me and Guy is.
Well, the balloon dress with the polka dots.
Bingo.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 3 colors, ladies, 3 new colors.
Oh, yeah.
So we have the beautiful oatmeal,
Beautiful. My color.
natural linen.
Yeah.
Look at that with the polka dots.
Yeah.
It's so
it's-
beautiful, this dress.
This dress, it's like
I think some of our customers have like
all of them. Like 4 colors.
But
probably.
it's so beautiful on almost every silhouette. It's like the Grisa's dress, ladies. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, exactly.
Pockets. It's amazing.
Pockets, right? And the lines are just, it's fitted here and then it goes out around the hips, which is what
Bubbles
we all
out.
like, right?
And
And
then
the length is perfect. And oh,
and then our classic look that we
Tessa.
absolutely love.
Oh, I love it.
It's my favorite look
Yeah,
is to have that
Yeah.
piece over it.
yeah,
And it's
exactly.
the matching colors.
Because not all of us want to show our arms all the time. And then you have
Such a
this
cute
very light,
layered look.
100% linen, 100% cotton.
Yeah, very chic, ladies. It's
Very
such a
chic.
good, and then I'm going to style them up for you tomorrow with some different jewelry just to give you some different options.
Yeah, but look, think of this with the necklace you're wearing.
I know. Gorgeous.
Dynamite,
Yeah.
dynamite.
Be perfect.
Okay.
All right, color
What's-
number 2.
What's more?
Mocha.
Oh, that is lovely
Oh,
too.
it's so beautiful.
Oh, like a chocolatey light.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
Beautiful.
On many skin tones. Absolutely
Beautiful.
gorgeous.
And this goes over this too.
You could, yeah,
Or
definitely.
did you have another one?
No,
for this?
I have one matched up for it. I purposely curated this whole.
You did a
There you go,
wonderful job
ladies.
again. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
A little.
So
deeper
just so
tint.
you know, ladies, there's a little tone here. It's a little deeper here, but it looks fabulous
but
together.
that's what
It
you
works.
like.
Yeah,
I just want to see how this one goes.
that will go beautifully too.
Beautiful. If you want a lighter look.
Yeah.
And these are a little high-low. You see? I just noticed that.
Yeah, it's the cutest little sweater.
Oh, it's adorable.
Yeah.
What sizes?
So these are extra small and dresses extra small. Lousje and I would be wearing extra. Actually, I would go to a small in this. I like to have a little more room on top.
Yeah, you do.
But Lousje would be an extra small
Yeah.
in that.
Yeah.
But for the dress, they fit nice and roomy.
The dress needs to flow a little. It shouldn't be skin tight. Right?
Yeah. So one more color. Are you ready?
Oh,
Army.
yes. That is a favorite color of your lovelies.
Army sage.
Army sage.
Oh, they call it military.
really?
Yeah. Oh, so beautiful.
Beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous.
You know, this color is almost good on everybody.
Yeah.
Every skin type,
Yeah.
every hair. Wow, you
Same.
did really well.
It is our favorite look,
Oh,
ladies.
Tessa,
and I
look
can't
at
wait to
this.
style
High
it
five.
up.
You did a great job. No, really, this is amazing. These are all no-brainers.
No
as we
brainers.
say.
We love to bring you outfits where you don't even have to think about it. You can just put it on and you're ready to go.
That's right.
Yeah, so you just pick your color and we'll style it up with some fabulous jewelry tomorrow.
I just want to talk about sizing and what we're wearing, because this is very
Roomy. So that's extra small, small.
Okay, and then
You're-
medium, large,
Yes, and then extra large, extra
Yeah.
large.
and the skirt.
It's a size 1 for you.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, beautiful.
And you?
And I have the extra small in the Ozayaku dress. So this is Linen Love, ladies, and it is extra small, small. It's got a nice flow to it.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right,
Wow.
so let's see what Lousje's lipstick, what she's gonna pick. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit a thumbs up. Watch me tomorrow styling up these beautiful pieces.
And as always, keep on smiling. Well, lovelies, here we go. I'm trying, all fired up on. I am very, oh, this is love. Beautiful. I love it. Love, love, love. Ooh, flat out fabulous. It's calling my name, lovelies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's got that blue undertone. Absolutely love. I think I'm keeping both. I can't make it. I can't pick. They're both fabulous. I am thrilled. It's a good day when you have a good lipstick that, you know, flatters you. Thank you, lovely daughter.